Hey, guys. Welcome back again. The Red Hawk is here again. I'm still strutting my daughter's team, Red Hawk, Simpson University, California. So, welcome to my channel, guys. It's your girl, Georgette. And if you're new to me, please do not subscribe until the end. A bit about my channel is that I strive to inspire you and to motivate you. And in doing so, I do hope that you transform your lives as well as I have done. So please wait till the end to smash the subscribe in. So guys, today I'm just going to chit chat freely about determination and sacrifice. You know, if you're on your journey, looking to be very successful, to be rich, to manifest a lot of wonderful things in your life, guys, you got to sacrifice a lot and you got to be determined. I always says that success lies in our habits and in our routine. How determined are you depends on the level of success you have. A brain surgeon was not born a brain surgeon. Doctors were not born doctors. Elite athletes were not born those elite athletes like my daughters. My daughters ran track and field. They went to college. They got scholarships for track and field. They did not just get that scholarship. Like my baby girl, her scholarship is 40-some thousand. She didn't just get that like that. She was determined. She sacrificed a lot. There's some mornings I was leaving out of here at 4:30 in the morning to drive a good distance to take her for early morning practice and then lay in my vehicle and sleep. So we both sacrificed. I would lay in my Jeep and I would sleep until she's done at about, it's an hour and a half, hour 45 minutes. At 6:45, I had to make sure we were back on the road because she goes to school close by where we live. So, but we went further for her to practice early mornings. And, we sacrifice all of that. And even as I started my journey, I said to myself, Georgette, if you can sacrifice so much for your girls, and both girls acquired full track and field scholarship, rooms, meals, everything. They got their room and board, their meals, they got everything, full scholarship. And when I started my journey, I said, Georgette, it's your time. It's your time now to sacrifice for you and to build that determination, that core strength to press on. And so guys, I just drop in here real quick to ask you, how determined are you if you're going after great success and wealth? And because it's not something you do once. My girls trained for years in track and field. A doctor, a brain surgeon, goes to school for many years. My baby girl right now is studying to do physiotherapy and sports med. And I think she's graduating early. She said, Mommy, I think I'm graduating early. She's such a smarty. She got a 4.1 this semester pass, and I think she said she's going to stay back in the summer. She's going to do some online classes throughout the summer. She's not coming home. I won't see her again. Well, we're going to meet up in August. It's now January. And so we're going to meet up in August and have a family trip. And but she goes right back to college. She's going to work on campus, and she said she's going to do some classes online, and because she wants to finish next 2022, which will be her third year. Yeah, she said, Mommy, I'm going to graduate probably in the fall of 2022, and she should be going to 2024. And then she wants to go to graduate school right away to do her sports med and physiotherapy. And so all of that is determination and sacrifice. She's giving up her summer. She's literally, school closes in May, and she's staying back to work. She has some goals. She wants her vehicle, and so she's staying back to work, and she's taking classes online. And so she's perhaps just going to take off like 4 weeks just to meet up with family, her BFF, her friend, and then go right back to campus. So in everything you're doing, guys, you got to be determined. What are you determined to? What are you giving up? For me, I've given up a lot. I'm always isolated. I was a salsa. I used to dance salsa dancing, social dancing. I think they're getting ready to start up again, but I won't. because I have big goals and big dreams that I'm going after. The other day they messaged me that they were gathering just about 5 or 6 persons gonna dance, and I don't even think I responded. I was so into what I'm doing, but you gotta be determined. You gotta sacrifice a lot. Success is in your routines and your habits, and you gotta give up something. I always hear my mentors say, when you sleep so much, say poor people sleep a lot. So they're very well rested, but they're poor. Millionaires and billionaires, sometimes 2 o'clock he's on live. I called him the other morning, 1 a.m. I was up working. And he says that he's working on a goal. There's a big thing he's working on, and he doesn't go to bed until that's done. One morning he said he was going to bed at 4 a.m. One morning I went to bed 5 a.m. And when you're modeling your mentors, you got to do what they're doing because it works. I'm not just saying that because he is saying that. He's saying that because he has the fruits to show that this lifestyle, how I live and how disciplined I am, how determined I am, have sacrificed sleep, I've sacrificed friends and family for a time so that I now can help them. And that's the very same thing I desire to do, to help my family. So I've sacrificed a lot and continue to sacrifice a lot. So how determined are you? What are you? Look at each day. How determined are you? Is it you want to be a doctor? Don't you think that you're going to you're going to study for about 7-8 years? Yeah. You're going after big goals. Don't you think you're going to sacrifice some stuff to get to the goal, to be very successful? So you got to get that mindset of determination, strong willpower, and you got to sacrifice. You got to give up something, guys. So that's all I have for you. I'm here, and I just jump on camera and shoot a couple of videos for you guys. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I hope I gave you some value. It's a real quick video. I just thought about how determined I am and how I have sacrificed so much. I thought I would bring that to you. And I hope you got some value. I will leave a step-by-step guide below and my free gift for you below. Please smash in on the subscribe, like, and share, and put your notifications on, guys. I drop a video daily. Keep watching. I'm going to leave videos popping up. It's your girl, Georgette. I send you so much love and light. Bye-bye. Mwah.